ninyo, when you think of love, think of eternity. Say it with me. Eternity. Remember, ang tanong niya, eternity? Lahat ng utak mo, di baling lugi ako sa lupa, basta wag lang sa eternity. Tama ba? Now, itong Hudyo na to, he's not thinking about eternity, he's thinking about his position as a lawyer. He's thinking about his position as a teacher. Kaya napapahiya siya, he wants to justify himself before men. Kaya sabi ng Lord, eternity. Friends, pakisabi sa mo, you want to grow in love for others? Think of eternity. Eternity. Bakit? Tingnan nyo ha. Sabi niya, he felt compassion. Look at the words, compassion. Dito maintindihan nyo ito, Samaritan. Kung ito'y Hudyo, hindi niya pinansin kung Hudyo siya. Hindi niya pinansin kung Samaritano siya. Ang issue, kahit sino pa siya, he's a total stranger. But, he showed love. Kasi love means no partiality. Walang preference. Wala siyang tinatangi. Wala siyang favoritism. Hindi siya tumitingin sa panlabas na anyo. Hindi siya nakakadire o pare-pareho sila para sa kanya ang pagmamahal. Walang pagtangi ng tao. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Kaya nga sabi ng Bible, but if you show partiality, you are committing sin and are convicted by the law as transgressor. Anong law ito? Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Kaya